Hi, my name is Richard Hutton and welcome to the Exponential Fund, the place where you learn to invest and absolutely crush average market returns. Well, I've got to admit, in the last couple of days, I went on a stock market shopping spree. I went down the list of all the stocks which are big and growing fast and just bought up the ones on a discount. So I have 4 stocks right here, and let's go through them. If you are new here, I have this simple, robust strategy that only has 3 criteria, and let's go through them very quickly. So I want to invest in big companies that are growing fast and are on a discount. So let's go through these criteria. The first is Snapchat. We see the market cap $79 billion, fantastic, very big. I usually want companies over 10 billion. Now we'll see a couple of these are actually a bit lower, but hey, close enough. So not penny stocks, not fucking startups, big companies. Okay. So Snapchat is big. Is it growing fast? Well, when I look at a company's financials, I only care about sales growth rate, right? I don't even care what the sales are, as long as they're growing fast. Now, my criteria is at least 20% growth every year for the last 5 years. And we see here it is well in excess of that. I mean, Jesus fucking Christ. From 400 million in 2016 to $2.5 billion. That's insane growth. And I also like to look at not just last year versus 5 years ago, but last quarter versus 5 quarters ago. So just this past Q3 this year versus Q3 last year, it's still enormous growth. What is this, like 50%? Fantastic. And the last criteria, it's that it's on sale. So we have here the 1-year chart, and actually I can zoom in here. So this was the all-time high close, and since then it is down 40%. Now, if you see here, it says $83, and actually it's almost the same as the 52-week high. This is the intraday high. So the plan is I bought here, and 2 scenarios will happen, one or the other. Either the stock goes back up and makes a new all-time high, at which point I will sell. Actually, I already have a sell order waiting at that level. Or, now that's the happy scenario. In the not so happy scenario, I will sell the company if sales growth goes negative, if the company starts declining. So here is essentially the bet that I'm making. I bet Snapchat will make a new all-time high before its sales start to decline. Right? So if you were just to estimate the probability, now, by the way, this is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy Snapchat. You do whatever you want. This is for entertainment and educational purposes only. But if you were to estimate what is the probability that Snapchat's sales start declining in the next year versus Snapchat keeps growing like it has been doing for years and years, and the stock goes back up. This is a dip. This is the market fluctuating, which is like the most normal thing ever, right? So if we just look at the current price from $49 up to $83, how much upside is there? So let's see, 83 minus 49, that's $34 of upside. So 34 divided by 49, just to get like a percentage, that's 69% upside. On top of that, which asset do you think will go up 69% first? Snapchat or the S&P 500? this is not investment advice. This is just my opinion. My estimate is that Snapchat will go up 69% way before the S&P will. So it will be the market. Seriously, guys, such a simple strategy can work. Watch me. So let's quickly go through the others. The next is Fivn, and honestly, when I clicked buy, I did not know what Fivn did. Just after that, I scrolled down just to not look embarrassing in this video, which I succeeded, and they do software. Okay, honestly, I don't really give a shit. Because that is irrelevant. Isn't that crazy? It is irrelevant what the company is selling. Because if you just look at the market cap, 9.4 billion, I mean pretty close to 10 billion, you know. It's a big company, not a startup. Sales, Fivn, from 162 million to 434. It's like a triple in 5 years. Fantastic. Quarterly, in the last 5 quarters, from 112 million to 154 million. That is like, what, 40 million? It's like 30% growth. Fantastic. And the stock is on a discount. From its all-time high, it is down 34%, right? Yes, it is possible to make money in the market with such an ultra minimalistic strategy, right? And this goes quite against the conventional wisdom of a Wall Street analyst. Okay. You can make money in a company without even knowing what they do. But hey, this is just my opinion. This is not investment advice. Next, Lspd. Also, I have no idea what they do, but they are valued at 8.2 billion. Sales growing very fast, also quarterly, from 60 million to Jesus fucking Christ. That is more than a double. Nice. And on a discount, very much so. They're actually on the Canadian exchange, so there's that. They are down 55%. Okay, so I bought it here. If it goes back up to a new all-time high, it will double, more than double. And in how long? Well, I don't know. But if I were to guesstimate, a few months, a year. If it's more than 2 years, I would be very surprised. That would be very unusual, right? So if in a year I make 100%, I'll be a very happy guy. Last company, Twlo. Honestly, I love how this word sounds. Okay, I want to buy this company because I like how the name sounds. I know this sounds retarded, but watch me. I bet I'll make a lot of money. So 50 billion sales from 277, Jesus fucking Christ, to 1.7 billion. Insanely fast. They do software. That's all I know. From 447 to 740. So again, very fast growth, and are on sale for almost a year. Like, damn, that's a long dip. Right, how much is it down? It's down 35%. Fantastic. So all of these companies, I bought a very small position because the rest of my money is already invested. But this is for fun and education. All right. And one more thing. If you like the way I invest, let me show you this platform. So I have an account on eToro, and here's where I execute the strategy, the exponential fund. Now, what I like about this, it's not just a broker, but it's also like a social network. So you can see here my feed with posts. Here's a little description. If you click here on stats, you can see my performance month by month. If you click here on portfolio, you can see exactly what I invested in and what percentage of my portfolio. And the idea is, if you like the way I invest, you can go on eToro, make an account, and actually search my profile, Richard_Hutton. and you will see here in the upper right corner a blue button called copy. Now, you don't see it here because I'm on my own account, but if you click on that button, what it essentially does is all my trades are automatically copied in your account without you having to do anything, right? So it's like I'm investing your money, right, through this platform, and you don't even pay any fees. So you might ask, what's the catch? Well, I get paid directly by eToro 1 to 2% per year of the sum that's copying me, right? So it's like having a little hedge fund here. The minimum amount to copy me is just $200. So it's really low risk to start off. And I just love this transparency, right? So, we can chat. I have posts here regularly. You can see exactly how the portfolio is doing. You can see exactly what I invested in. So if you're interested, I'll leave a link down below to sign up. All right. Thanks for watching and see you next time.